Hi, this is Steve Haas again. In this video, I want to talk to you about the domain analysis area. Now, we have three functions in domain analysis, and just to keep up with the theme from the previous, I'm going to cover all three in one video because they're pretty simple. The first we're going to cover is the Whois search. Whois search works just like all the other previous searches I showed you. You can either upload a file, or you could paste in 1Z, 2Z, or a group of them, just depending on what plan you have and how many you have that you want to evaluate. And we hit start searching. Now you may ask yourself, what is Whois? Whois is a domain registry that has the contact information for various domains registered. Now some have private registration and you won't be able to get much information out of them. But for those that don't have private registration, you'll see that it pulls back a pretty good deal of information. It gives you the domain's name and email address of the registrar, or registrant, I should say, the admin email, and it also shows you the name servers, the date that the domain expires, registered information, locations, etc. So as you can see, there's a good bit of information about several of these domains that I have here. So I'm not going to bore you with too much detail because I'm sure you can read just as well as I can. So let's move on to the next, which is the DMOZ check. Now you may recall that in a previous video I discussed what DMOZ was all about. So again, DMOZ functions just like the previous function. You can bulk upload or copy and paste various domains in, and you can start the check. And it just tells you whether or not the particular site is listed in DMOZ. And as you can see, all of these major sites actually are. Then the final part of this is domain auction list. Now we're going to expand on this more in updates coming, but for the time being, as you can see, there's well over, let's see, max I can present is 100 at a time. So as you can see, there's around 7,900 domains or so that are listed here that are available at auction. So you can see when the auction end date is and so forth. Now, like I said, we're going to try to add a little more in-depth information onto this in coming releases. But right now, it just lists it, and you can go through and try to find the various domains by name if you know of something that you want to view. These all come from Namejet. So if you belong to Namejet or if you just want to join, it's free. You can go to namejet.com. And you can see a list of domains that are available for auction. So that really sums up this video for domain analysis. I'll see you in the next video.